At Keen, we believe the most sustainable shoe is the one you keep wearing. That's why today we're sharing tips on how to clean and condition your leather boots and shoes. With proper care, leather can last for decades, staying strong and looking its best. Regular maintenance also helps prevent drying and cracking and keeps your footwear in top shape. And if you wear your shoes outdoors, you may notice that the leather becomes often stiff and dry. If this is the case, we recommend following these steps more frequently. So what you're gonna need is a pair of leather shoes, a leather cleaner, leather conditioner, microfiber cloth, and a cotton cloth. We like to use Otter Wax because it's PFAS free, just like Keen. First, start off by removing your laces and soaking them in soapy water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now moving back to the shoe, use a soft brush or damp cloth to wipe away any visible dirt or grime. When it comes down to getting that boot clean or that shoe clean, just get right at it. I'm gonna grab a fresh rag, and we always recommend testing the cleaner in a small area before first use. Then, using the damp cloth to apply in a circular motion. And after cleaning, apply a small amount of your leather conditioner to the shoe or boot using a dry microfiber cloth, then buff in a circular motion. You may notice that the leather is a bit darker than before. As the product continues to soak in, your shoes will get back to its original color. Conditioning every 6 months will help prevent dryness and keep your leather soft and feeling comfortable. And next, let your shoes dry. We recommend letting them dry at room temperature away from direct sources of heat. Because things like sunlight, fires, and radiators can make your leather shoes dry too fast and end up cracking the leather. Okay, pro tip. When your shoes are taking a break, help them keep their shape by using a shoe tree or stuffing them with old newspaper. Okay, and there you have it, almost like new. Keen shoes are consciously created for less impact on the planet. By taking care of them, you're playing a big part in that. Thanks for stepping lighter with us. You want to learn more how your footwear can make a difference? Visit our Keen Impact page online. See you out there.